everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC today. I hope your day is sunny and fun or whatever you plan on doing. We just got back from Chilliwack. We had to get a little groceries. We went to Subway, had some fabulous lunch. It was really super good. And on the way home we picked up a box, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see what I got. Alright, got my blade. Okay, we're in. And if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, because once I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway, and you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Ring the bell, give me a like, give me a comment every once in a while. I miss talking to you guys, and any requests are fabulous. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. Thumbs up. Okay, got bubble wrap. Oh, I got my pre-order Zelda. Got the game and the AMIIBO that came with it, which is pretty cool. Yeah, sometimes you get the AMIIBO separate, but they gave the game and the AMIIBO all together. So, looking forward to that. I ordered this about 2 months ago, and it released, I think the release date was the 16th. So, they just released it out, and I got it today. So, I'm pretty happy about that. Look at this AMIIBO. It's pretty cool with Zelda and her little flying partner. So currently I'm playing Animal Crossing New Horizon, which is a way different game than I normally play. I normally play Zelda, Mario, Donkey Kong, Luigi Mansion, those type of things. I don't normally play Animal Crossing. So yeah, I'm really liking it. I thought it would be kind of, in the beginning I thought maybe it would be kind of boring, you know, because I'm used to Mario and that type of thing. But no, it's a pretty cool game, so I highly recommend it. And this is going to be a pretty cool game. Is there any Zelda games that you guys like? The only ones that I didn't like was the one with the mask. I didn't care for that one. I sold that game. And then the other one with the time, you had to do everything by a certain time. And I didn't really like that too much. I sold that one as well. But this one looks like it's going to be pretty cool. I like the artwork as well. Look at the artwork. So what new games have you guys got? Anything good to talk about? And that's the inside. There's Luke. So yeah, so this is going to be like a flying game, I'm thinking. I saw some pretty cool reviews online, so that's what kind of prompted me to get it, to test it out. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the AMIIBO here. The AMIIBOs are really cool. Yeah, this is really pretty. Alright. See if we need a jackhammer to get it out. Yeah, look at that. Wow. And the bottom is really nice. Yeah, so I'll find out exactly what this AMIIBO helps link out with, and maybe it helps Zelda as well. So you never know. Alright, so that's my unboxing with my Zelda game and my AMIIBO. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Oh, one more thing. I had a request regarding my Minnie Mouse wristlet, if you could attach a strap. So what I did was I used it today with the strap that I had got off eBay, my gold thin strap, and it worked out pretty good. So let me just give you a real quick look. Okay, here's the adjustable strap that I used. All right, and then this is how I attached it. So if you guys have any of these little wristlets and they're a little bit cumbersome just to use a little wristlet here, you can attach a crossbody strap. I would say either this size or maybe a little bit wider, but I wouldn't probably do too wide. And it worked out really great. So it's just another option. And thanks again for the request. I do appreciate that. All right, until next time, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.